You don't buy drugs from someone who like has a, you know, sounds like they have a PhD.
Oh my God.
This, for those of you that don't know, is called Euphorics. This is alcohol that doesn't have alcohol. Or as according to their website, nightlife beverages for conscious connection. For best effects, sip socially. Euphorics lift the mind and relax the body. That wasn't even the worst one. I don't remember what page that I was on, but it was just the most, like a yoga mom just like mixed a cocktail and just spewed buzzwords.
Yeah, but not a cocktail, a euphoric. I sent it to Lauren and was immediately like, I must have this. And she was like, I am annoyed.
Okay, it was like crafted from ancient remedy and modern alchemy.
I just feel like that's me when I have like some booze and different juices. I become an alchemist.
That's basically what they did, I'm pretty sure. Okay, off the bat here though, their branding is spot on. Marketing, packaging, the whole thing, beautiful.
Right, it gives me the feel like it's like 70s retro, like kind of disco-y is like the feel they're going for, but then modern.
Like this is a cute box. Like for just straight up a box. This is how it came. This is very adorable. I see where they're going. Also when you open it,
Yeah, that's really cute.
this is nice. It's just then you read
Okay.
then you open it and it's like the future of revelry is italics in our hands.
I mean, okay, I don't want to sound dumb because I'm not like, I don't understand what it means. I'm like, but what are they trying to say? Like, that doesn't, the thing is, it's not, I'm not dumb for not understanding it. It doesn't make any sense.
No, because it's just a bunch of empty buzzwords. That's what I mean. You're just saying nothing.
The power is in our hands.
But also, it kind of gives me hope that this works because like maybe they were just on this and just saying stuff. Like you're kind of high.
Yeah.
You're just saying stuff.
Well, I
That's
don't
your
really,
branding.
I'm not gonna trust people selling me some hippy dippy stuff if they're not sounding a little hippy dippy.
Yeah.
You don't buy drugs from someone who like has a, you know, sounds like they have a PhD from.
No. So they have two different kinds. One is like the sleepy kind, one is the awake kind. I got the awake kind because I'm here to party. Oh. They gave me a CD thing.
Ooh,
Welcome
more
to the
branding.
first day of the rest of our nights. This is the millennial version of mom pillows, you know, like embroidered.
Oh yeah.
That's what this is.
But ours is like just a consumable because we're millennials and instead of having something that lasts forever, we just want something that you can
That's really overpriced. Kid is a new way to feel after dark. Bring to parties, serve at dinners, or order at bars. So far, actually, this makes sense. These are real words. And then here's a moon.
Unite all creators.
Is that really what it says?
Dude, this is what happens when your parents are rich. Like, this is the kind of company you create. Okay, I will say this is really cool because there's all these people doing dry January or like dry February.
Yeah.
Or people who are just sober in general. So it's like a fun thing you can drink that we'll see if it actually makes you feel any type of way. But that's fun, like you feel like you're drinking, you feel like you're having fun, but you're not risking your sobriety.
100%, I'm gonna insult this the entire way through, but the problem is me.
No, you're bad
I'm
cop,
an
good
asshole.
cop.
I think it's great for people to have an option that is not alcoholic. Just the only thing that like kind of concerns me is because of all their like fluff words, I'm like, I just want to know, like, I was like, I just want to know what this is. Like, is it just micro doses of cocaine?
And that would be fun.
High
I
class.
hope so. That
For
would
only
be-
$40?
So the ingredients, they have like supplements I recognize. Like GABA, which is, I'm pretty sure, oh, and L-theanine, which is found in green tea. It's like supposed to be like calming. But the thing is, like, the thing with supplements is like, these all kind of sound great, but they're not regulated. So you could, I mean, the thing is, it could be like a really high quality one, but they can also literally be dangerous because the Food and Drug Administration doesn't regulate supplements at all. So
Fun fact for your vitamins.
yeah, so be careful, kids.
I don't know, I feel like this should be shaken.
Yeah. Why are you, you look like you're trying to burp it.
Okay, you're not as motherly as
Your
me.
maternal instincts are kicking in.
Wait, we need glasses.
There we go. So cute.
You're not supposed to mix this with alcohol. Just fun fact.
Although,
Random mic. We can test subject A and B then.
yeah, let's just try it. I'm just gonna try it straight at first. Okay, I'm smelling it and it smells like, I'm trying, like when I used to bartend like liqueurs, like it's almost like a little like not too much, but like a little licorice-y, like a little,
Anise.
like a little, yeah, like not Jaeger, but like a little like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, it's like herbaceous, and herbaceous, which makes sense because there's herbs in it. It seems like something you would mix with like vodka and then add soda or something. I thought I was gonna to die. And all I could think of was this. Oh, you guys can't see, but I'm on a stool.
What's the serving amount?
Oh yeah, because let's do double that.
2 ounces. So there's about 8 servings in here. Wow, okay.
Ooh, not what I expected. That's very herbal. Okay, I think if I mix this with some stuff, I can make it taste good, but it's all, by itself, it tastes like over strong tea. I'm actually glad it's bitter, because if it was sweet, I'd be more grossed out. Like,
Yeah.
I could see an ice and soda, this would be good. You don't like soda, but shaken maybe. It might not be bad.
You know, like alcohol doesn't taste good.
Yeah, that's true. Also, this tastes better than alcohol. I feel like if it tasted good, I would be like, oh, this is not gonna do anything. You kind of need it to taste like a little funky to like believe that it will have effects. It kind of tastes a little bit like tonic. Doesn't it a little bit?
Oh yeah, actually
Like
that's a good
quinine a little
description.
bit?
Yeah,
It
that's
kind
a
of
good
tastes like
description.
tonic.
How long is this supposed to like?
Takes a kick.
Well, you know, like when you're hungry, maybe it's just me, but it's not. Like a shot or a glass of something, and I'm like, I'm here and ready to party.
Oh yeah, no, it kicks in because I feel like it just kind of
Because it's just in
absorbs
you. Yeah.
right into your bloodstream. It's not like you're not waiting for it to kick in.
You know what I mean? It's not the devil's lettuce, but
Yeah, is it
it's
more
not
like a? Is
Jesus'
it more like
blood.
a? She's not even a Catholic. It could be. Oh my God, that's they should start serving this at church. Oh, my grandma doesn't see this. I was baptized.
It does feel very LA, like I'm health conscious, so I don't drink and I don't wake up with hangovers, but I did bring this very tiny, very expensive bottle.
Yeah, I feel like the target audience for this would be people who work out a lot,
Yeah.
are very health conscious.
The thing, like, what I read was the person that made this was like, I didn't feel like I could go into a Whole Foods and get like a non-alcoholic beverage that I could bring to a party. And like, the fact that whoever it was like, Whole Foods, like name dropped Whole Foods. I was like, this is a specific person.
Also, like, get an orange juice.
I did read too, someone was saying, so basically they did a test of, they smoked for 1 week, and then they drank this for 1 week, and they like alternated to see if their mood stayed boosted. And they said that they didn't really notice a difference like from week to week.
Well, that's wild because for me, like, smoking is such it's mind altering. Like, I think it's so, like, that's why I can't do it all the time because it's super mind altering. So like, I would say if there is an effect, but it's not very strong, that would probably be good for me because it's something that I can enjoy without, like, that's why I like alcohol, because it's not like I get super drunk off of one drink.
Mm-hmm. You can like,
yeah.
temper it.
We mixed it with
Some very fancy.
mineral water.
And a little bit of lime. It has a texture, and I realize it's liquid, but it felt like thick. Like what my problem was, it wasn't actually the taste. It is bitter like you're saying, but it's a pretty bland, like mild taste.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Is when I go to swallow it, I don't want to.
But it's like almost, I described it as almost velvety.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Like, does that make sense?
Yeah, I don't want that texture in my mouth.
I mean, alcohol has a weird texture too.
It might be that I'm just familiar.
Alcohol also burns. There's so much other things going on if you like take a shot where it's like,
Yeah.
you're not really, you're just trying to choke it down.
And obviously I'm just so old now that maybe I just want my ID. Like, but you know, I don't think there was like a age requirement.
Oh, so anyone could get this. If it is mood altering though, I can't say that I would be like super surprised, because if you look up like things that are legal and natural that get you high, not that I have ever looked that up. Like, I mean, even kratom is legal, and that's a big one right now where it's like, it's like mind altering. Like people use it.
The only thing with this, children saying, I'm gonna be the mom right now.
Oh no, yeah.
It's like there's no real studies to know anything about this. Like it's just like the same thing, like when you're little developing brain,
Yeah.
these can like fuck you up.
And there's a whole ton of stuff like herbs that are legal and that like can be good for you in moderation, that in higher doses like are really bad for your liver, the same way alcohol is. I mean, I would definitely say do your research and like don't trust a brand.
But also you can buy this online and ship it to your house.
Yeah,
Text your brain.
You can't trust a brand to tell you the truth, but
No. But you can
it's a really
trust
clean
us.
bottle. Yeah, I mean, if my liver goes, it might not be because of that.
Could fully be placebo, but I felt a little bit lighter.
Yeah, I thought I did too, and I was like, I don't know, I'm feeling the same way. Like, is it just placebo?
Also, I honestly feel like the first time I had alcohol that wasn't when like my mom would give me some as a child.
When she was 21 years old.
When I was like 15, 16, like we were at my aunt's beach house and she had some Mike's Hard lemonade. My friend and I, so there's 3 of us there. One of my friends was taking a nap, and the other friend and I were like, we're gonna be crazy.
27 of those and you'll be tanked, Laura.
Dude, we had one, and then we split between the 2 of us, and we're like, yeah, we're feeling it. Like, I'm just saying.
Yeah. I guess if it's placebo, that's good. It means it's not doing any like harm, and you just feel
We
like
just
it's
paid
working.
$40 for.
Yeah, let me live my
Crappy juice.
Placebo is the ultimate living your fantasy. Look, I do kind of feel like I'm not. It's not a lot. I don't feel like fucked up. I feel.
It is supposed to be. That's the thing. Like my expectations of it though are just a relaxer, basically.
Yeah, I feel like my mood is boosted a little bit.
Yeah, I think that's the goal. Is this is not really supposed to be like a you're drunk. Just it's the 70s and you're chill. I just keep like, you know when you can like tell you're drunker than you thought because you're like, and the whole world just cracks.
Lauren's like in a corner at a party, like holy shit.
It's that, or when you
That's when you're alone in the bathroom.
That's what I was gonna say. You look at yourself in the mirror and you're just like,
get it together, bitch.
just wander off. You're like, you're hot.
I don't want anything to do with anything unless you
Let's
can't
look.
operate heavy machinery
Yeah.
while you're on it. Because that's how you know that's how you know.
Hold my euphoric. How does kin work? Humans have evolved from hunting tigers, but still have a primal response to stress. And
That just took us on a journey, and
that told a story.
It told
right
a story.
there.
It was a journey I wasn't ready to go on, folks.
We are never gonna get sponsored by Kin. These
forget what-
statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. We told y'all, mostly Miranda. This product is not intended to diagnose, prevent, or treat or cure any disease. Sorry, you're still ugly.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but she said, "Sorry, you're still ugly."
I think it does work.
And I'm putting back on the fucking glasses to blind me, or blind you, not blind me.
Okay, that fucking Kanye Tame Impala.
I was like, what's the song?
Have you all? Give me my Kin. I can't tell if it's you or just placebo or just us. Ours actually this, but it works. Kin, sponsor me. I feel like you could operate heavy machinery for sure.
I feel like I want to be on your level right now. Are you seeing?
It did say that your sleep patterns and other things are. I am as much of an ingredient as the ingredients.
But dude, I don't want
Maybe
to
that's
smash
their
a whole body.
ingredient.
Like, knowing me, I don't want to have to smash a whole body on body. I don't want to have to smash a whole bottle on Friday and Saturday. It's $80, and I'm still probably gonna drink like vodka too.
But you won't have a hangover.
I do kind of feel like I feel it, but I'm kind of jealous because I feel like you're feeling it more.
There's mascara all over my face.
Oh my God,
I'm definitely feeling it
We
more.
should do a sobriety test.
1 2-ounce serving is enough for most to reach bliss. So maybe I'm the lightweight when it comes. They do advise that you not sip more than 4 drinks in 24 hours.
So we'll have exactly 4.
We'll have 5. Okay, they tell you that you can sip socially, which I feel like for sure would make a difference.
Yeah.
You know, if you're out and you were doing stuff, I think this would definitely take more of an effect.
I was saying to Lauren, it's like how the way that chamomile tea makes you feel relaxed, this makes you feel uplifted.
Mhm.
So it's not like you're on a drug, but I definitely think I feel it. Or maybe it is placebo, I don't know.
Regardless, I feel something.
I would drink it again. I think the price point is kind of a lot, but I would definitely I think it would be a fun daytime drink.
And I feel like that's what I mean. If you're out, if you're doing stuff, if you want this to work, I think it will. But overall, I feel like it's just a mood booster. It's not doing a whole ton, but that's what I mean. It's like if you want that, then that's great. And again, I do think it's good that there's an option for people that want to be a social drinker but don't want the alcohol.
I think overall I like it. Honestly, my overall takeaway is oh, that was this is cool. I would drink it again. I'm not gonna buy it all the time.
Mixing it dramatically helps.
Oh, so much better. Mixing it, we just put the lime and the mineral water, soda water.
And the ice.
Super good, and ice, yeah.
That did make a big difference. I would keep your expectations low.
I feel like anytime Lauren ever used anything, she's like, nah, it was fine. She's never.
It was. Someone impressed me. You know you're getting the real deal. What if my wage took off a wig?
What a reveal!
Have y'all ever seen Wreck-It Ralph? It's in my clothes. It's in my clothes. I am Wreck-It Ralph. It's in my clothes.
Everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was. A guy.